point of view, you can create an access list. You can name it the access list actually, and you can use the extended standard access list. So just to show you permit IP, source IP address. So source IP address, let's say 10.1.21.0, and mask will be 255.255.255.0, and then the destination again 20.20.21.1. Okay, and I can enter it. Show run access list. So this is the access list I have just created. Now, this access list creation doesn't mean that it's applied as well. You have to apply it to an interface. So access group command. What is the access group command? What is the name? In, and where you want to apply this interface, and see, you are not referring to an interface number, but actually interface name. Okay, so that's the access list command I have applied now. Is it clear? So it's a very simple configuration, same access list, define the name, extended, permit, source IP, destination IP, so far 0 hits, and apply it to the group. And this is the, you can see, I'm not referring to a physical interface, but I'm referring to the name of the interface. If you want to see the configuration here, you can go to the configuration access list here. And this is the firewall and access rule. This is where you need to go. And look at this. This is the applied. I applied this here. See, I am using the IP address and I'm using the destination, and I'm using for IP address. You can if you want to. Okay, clear? Okay, so let me check. Can I? Okay, let me initiate the traffic. So traffic is initiated. Let me see on the firewall. I have 2 hits. So you can see previously there was no hit. Now I have 2 hits. So also another interesting thing I want to show you. Previously there was no access list applied. Let me go into the packet tracer. Packet tracer, and let me trace it. So previously there was no access list. Now I applied the access list as well. Let's see what is going to happen. Okay, so you see now the access list is there. Route is there. You see this? Access list is applied. Okay. So basically, you can see this is access list right now applied. because none of the other traffic is applied right now. Okay, so that's the traffic. I just created an access list. Okay, and this access list is applied on my inbound traffic. Question. So this is I just show you the command line. Let's take a